Tired of noise invading your space? Sonopan crushes sound, including deep rumbles below 125 Hz. Made from dense recycled wood fiber, it's eco-friendly, safe, and shockingly effective. Just one layer adds serious silence, but pair it with drywall and insulation, and you'll hit an STC of 68. It's lightweight, water-resistant, insanely durable, and installs fast with basic tools. Whether it's home theaters, bedrooms, or studios, makes peace and quiet possible. Laying brick roads by hand? That's history now. Meet Road Printer. It lays up to 6 meters wide in one seamless pass, fast, clean, and with flawless precision. The electric version runs a whole week on a single charge. No generators, no mess, just smooth, sensor-guided paving in beautiful patterns like herringbone or block bond. What once took hours of back-breaking labor, this machine crushes in minutes. It's not just smart, it's revolutionary. Laying brick roads by hand? That's history now. Meet Road Printer. It lays up to 6 meters wide in one seamless pass, fast, clean, and with flawless precision. The electric version runs a whole week on a single charge. No generators, no mess, just smooth, sensor-guided paving in beautiful patterns like herringbone or block bond. What once took hours of back-breaking labor, this machine crushes in minutes. It's not just smart, it's revolutionary. No crane. No problem. The SCF-60 climbs all on its own, powered by precision hydraulic brackets that lift entire formwork systems skyward. Each bracket carries up to 150 tons, forming walls up to 17 meters wide with absolute control. Work platforms, safety rails, and rebar decks move with the structure, keeping your crew safe and your progress unstoppable. It even conquers curves and wins like a pro. Why wait for a crane when your formwork can climb itself? This isn't just an excavator, it's a thinking machine. Built on a spider-like 12-ton chassis, it adjusts its stance in real time, scans terrain with LiDAR, and maps its environment in 3D, even through dust. It picks, weighs, and places stones with surgical precision, building massive walls without a single human command. Tested on site, it built a 6-meter-high wall using only leftover debris. Faster, smarter, cleaner. What if your next job could think for itself? Cold balconies ruining your comfort? EcoBox stops heat loss in its tracks, letting rebar pass through walls without creating cold bridges. That means no more condensation, no mold, just cozy, energy-efficient spaces that feel like part of your home. Fully customizable with CAD and BIM data, and insulated with top-tier materials like phenolic foam and mineral wool, up to 12 centimeter thick. Smart, seamless, and built to save. Imagine a 30-meter tower printed by robots, layer by layer, like squeezing out toothpaste. This isn't sci-fi, it's Tour Alva, the world's tallest 3D printed structure, rising from a tiny Swiss village with just 11 people. Built with 2 synchronized robots, one layering special concrete, the other reinforcing it every 26 centimeter. It's part theater, part art, and all innovation. It's not just changing skylines, it's reviving entire communities by pulling in curious tourists and breathing new life into forgotten places. They moved an 850-ton brick building, sideways and backward, with millimeter precision. Wolf House and Building Movers used 34 hydraulic jacks, each rated at 100 tons, to glide massive structures like it's no big deal. Brick, block, log, no material is too tough, no size too massive. Their work doesn't just preserve history, it repositions it with surgical accuracy, so buildings can stand strong for another 130 years. When Alabama needed a bridge expansion done right, they chose Mevalite, and wow, did it deliver! This aluminum formwork is unbelievably light at just 39 kilograms per panel, yet it holds a massive 6.5 tons per square meter. That's serious strength without the back-breaking weight. Fast setup, solid performance, and zero compromise. Mevalite is the kind of gear crews dream of. What turns a building into a landmark? Harman's custom curtain walls don't just shield, they transform architecture into art. From a 53-story tower wrapped in 38,000 square meters of panels to a massive hospital complex, every facade is a masterpiece of precision, performance, and pure visual impact. It's not just construction, it's engineering that makes people look up and stare. A Tash 12,000-ton bridge installed in just 5 days. HS2 engineers crushed timelines on the A46 in Warwickshire using cutting-edge push systems to slide a bridge 64 meters with pinpoint accuracy. No endless detours, no chaos, just round-the-clock precision that turned years of disruption into a matter of days. This is infrastructure done fast, done right, and done with mind-blowing tech. A bridge that's 60% lighter than steel and 80% lighter than concrete. Fiberline's fiberglass bridges don't rust, don't corrode, and laugh in the face of seawater and minus 40 degrees Celsius temps. They're insanely durable, ultra-low maintenance, and fully recyclable at the end of their life. This isn't just smart engineering, it's the future of green infrastructure, and it's already here. Tired of gravel turning into a muddy mess? CoreDrive 535 HD locks it down, literally. Just 3 centimeters thick, yet it slashes gravel use by up to 60% and still holds an insane 450 tons per square meter. Walk, roll, or drive over it. This grid stays solid, smooth, and super accessible. Finally, stability that actually lasts. Green roofs used to be a luxury, but with Tundra Box, they're a no-brainer. This modular system comes with trays, substrate, and pre-grown plants, so your roof's already alive when it arrives. No fertilizer needed in the first year, just water it. It cuts AC costs, boosts sound insulation, and supports urban biodiversity. It's low maintenance, eco-friendly, and looks absolutely stunning. Why isn't every roof doing this already? Psychocrete 733 is not just concrete, it's a 3D printing revolution. Designed for robots, perfected for builders, this mix pumps effortlessly at low pressure, sets lightning fast, and barely shrinks. Goodbye cracks. Whether it's bold architecture or intricate art, this formula delivers precision, strength, and speed like never before. Ready to build the future layer by layer. Why wait 28 days for concrete to cure when you can reopen roads in just 3 hours? FastTrack's hybrid polymer concrete is engineered with high-performance resins and aggregates for lightning-fast strength, extreme weather resistance, and decades-long durability. Perfect for bridges and road repairs where every minute counts. This stuff doesn't just set fast, it outlasts the rest. Who knew concrete could be this smart? A 7 kilograms origami-inspired column that holds 2.1 tons. Engineers at the University of Michigan turned ancient paper art into ultra-strong foldable structures, perfect for bridges, canopies, even disaster zones and space missions. No glue, no scissors, just genius design that distributes weight with mind-blowing efficiency. Who knew folds could replace forklifts? BSF Enertite is the game changer your building's been waiting for. This advanced thermal insulation material traps heat like a pro, slashing energy costs and keeping your space cozy all year round. It's lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly, designed to fit seamlessly into any structure. Why settle for ordinary insulation when you can supercharge your comfort and efficiency? BS Venertite makes every degree count. Enduramat is a total game changer for construction sites. No more mud, no more mess. Just solid, reliable ground protection that actually works. These tough polymer panels crush plywood and steel under pressure, handling loads up to 80 tons with ease. At just 32 kilograms, they're lightweight but insanely strong. Plus, they don't soak up chemicals, so you can reuse them anywhere without hassle. And the best part? When you're done, they don't clog landfills, they get recycled. Smart, durable, and eco-friendly. What's not to love? Chinese builders just shattered the limits of speed with B-core slabs. Imagine a 10-story building going up in under 29 hours. These panels are steel strong but shockingly light, 10 times lighter than concrete. Filled with insulation and ready for modular magic, they snap together like giant Lego blocks for insanely fast, efficient construction. Revolutionizing building forever. 10 colossal tunnel boring machines, each longer than a football field and a half, are tearing through British soil right now. They're building over 100 kilometers of high-speed rail tunnels, 90 meters underground, to link London with the West Midlands, all while keeping cities above whisper quiet. With 30,000 experts behind the scenes, this isn't just construction. It's one of Europe's biggest infrastructure marvels in motion. Now Bentifix is a game-changer in containment solutions. This geosynthetic clay liner fuses high-swelling sodium bentonite between two tough geotextile layers, creating a self-sealing hydraulic barrier that stops liquid seepage fast. Ideal for landfills, wastewater plants, and mining, its self-healing clay swells on contact with water to seal gaps instantly. The needle punch structure resists shear and handles steep slopes like a pro. Thermal lock technology boosts stability, while wide rolls with overlapping seals make installation quick and easy. It crushes traditional clay liners with superior strength, low permeability, and ISO, CE, and BBA certifications. Available in versions like Bentifix X, X Green, and Carbopol X, customizable power for demanding terrains and critical infrastructure.